guys, this is Cyrus from HDSecure. Today I'm gonna set up the Dahua PTZ SD5A225XA-HNR on a smart tracking. Now I'm gonna log into the PTZ. Now we go to the setting. From the setting on a PTZ, then function, we need to define some preset. It's a bit slow. First we need to set up the preset. The first preset is going to be on the door, and then save the preset, then move the PTZ different angle. Okay, right, this is going to be the second preset, and the third one. Right, that's the third preset. Now we save everything and go to event, and from smart plan, first on a smart plan, and you choose the preset here, preset 1, you put it on deep IVS on. If you want to turn it off, if you click again, it will turn off. On, save, and preset 2, deep IVS, save, and preset 3, okay, save it. Now going to deep IVS. From deep IVS, in here the preset 1, 2, 3, and you put it on preset 1, click on plus sign, and from here you can change it to intrusion, and click on draw rule, and from here we can draw. That's the area I want to detect, and then need to put it on cross, enter and exit, the record, I put it on 300, and now on the target, the size, you can clear the size, and then click on drawing. This is the maximum size, and you're gonna do on a minimum size as well. You can tell the PTZ the small object like that, it need to be followed, and this is the drawing target as well. Okay, right, and click on save, and it follow human and vehicle. Now we're going to preset number 2. The PTZ will move to preset 2. Click on plus sign, intrusion, cross, both, exit and enter. Tracking time 300, and now drawing can. Alright, that's a drawing line, and then the minimum target Okay, clear. That's the maximum, and this is the minimum size, and that's the drawing. Also save. Right, and now the third one, preset 3. Okay, again we put it on intrusion, draw. Okay, target, clear it first, and then okay, target. That's the for minimum, and this is for maximum. We clear the maximum. Again, the maximum rule is going to be like that size. And target. Now we put it on both way, and that's 300 also. Save. We go to 3. This one 300 as well. And save. Now we're gonna test it. Now it's following. For the first time, need to stay in front of camera few seconds, then the camera will recognize, then you can start working. Now camera follow the object.